What is going on, investors? My name is Emmanuel, and I just want to quickly make you aware of this gift of an opportunity that was presented to us just yesterday on the news of a direct offering for GEVO Inc. and the ticker symbol is GEVO. And I believe the market had a serious overreaction to this news. Plus, if you've been a Nano Dimensions investor for the last couple of months, then you would be very familiar with how these direct offerings work and the initial impact that it has on the share price, only for it to recover and continue higher. Now, I'm not saying this will happen for certain with GEVO, but I am confident that it will have a very similar outcome because direct offerings are generally initially perceived as negative, but for me, I view them as a positive and also a massive opportunity to capitalize on the general market overreaction. So I will be explaining everything in this video. It is very time sensitive, and I do want to get this video out before market open. So it won't be a very long video like my usual videos are. But myself and my Discord members are already in position. We took positions during yesterday's trading session. So if you want to stay up to date in real time of all the stocks that I am buying, selling, then you need to jump in my Discord and become an elite member. The Patreon link to become a member is in the description below, but don't forget to destroy that like button, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to stay up to date with all of my latest videos. Let's not waste any more time and let's dive straight into it. So our elite member Wei Cole first brought this news of the direct offering to my attention. So massive shout outs to you, my brother. And I will read this article and give you my breakdown of this news and my interpretation and where our positions are. So the headline reads, GEVO Inc. announces $350 million registered direct offering of common stock. So GEVO today announced that it has entered into a definitive agreement with institutional and accredited investors for the sale of an aggregate of 43.75 million shares of common stock at a purchase price of $8 per share in a registered direct offering priced at the market under NASDAQ rules. The offering is expected to close on or about January 22nd, 2020, subject to satisfaction of the customary closing conditions. The gross proceeds of the offering are expected to be $350 million prior to deducting placement agent fees and other offering expenses payable by GEVO. GEVO intends to use the net proceeds from the offerings to fund capital projects, working capital, and for general corporate purposes. So it's pretty much a copy and paste from Nano Dimensions direct offerings. And then of course they go into the legal proceedings, all of the legal formalities, etc. So this is great news for GEVO. Why? They announced that they have entered into a definitive agreement with institutional and accredited investors. So this is big money, all right? Like, this isn't your average Joe investors. This isn't your retail investors like myself and yourself. This is big money. Literally going direct to GEVO and asking for a piece of their company. So clearly, they have seen something about this company that they really like to the point where they want in right now. And that's evidence because the deal closes literally tomorrow. It says that it states on or before January 22nd. Now, these institutions want 43.75 million shares at the share price of $8. Now, if you take a look at where the share price was trading at before this announcement, it was trading above $11 a share. So the news of this direct offering came out pre-market, which was yesterday's pre-market, sorry. And GEVO was pretty much saying that they were happy to sell their shares to these interested institutions for $8. Well, it's trading for $11 and the company are offering it up for $8. So of course, that's what led to the sell-off, again, an overreaction at the market open for yesterday's trading session, to which I then put out this buy alert to all of my Discord members. Started a small position in GEVO at $8.70 due to the recent direct offering of $8 to institutions. If we can get to $8 exact, I'll add a little bit more. My position is small because a lot of perfection has been baked into this stock with its insane market cap of 1.42 billion before market open. So this was yesterday's market cap. They had a horrible recent quarter with declining revenues, but it is a clean energy play, and it's also somewhat reassuring that big money want to invest in this company. hence the direct offering. This is a small play to feed off what I presume to be an overreaction from investors, and the direct offerings is a positive sign for me. This again will be a multi-month swing trade. Do your own DD, everyone. All right. Now, Matty, another one of my elite members, asked what my sell price or my sell price target would be, to which I responded, ideally, I would want to see us break our 52-week high of $11.68, and that would represent a 35% gain for me, of course, on my position. Depending on if the company disclosed who the institutional buyers were, I think we could see a further upside momentum. I would like to pull out my initial investment at $16 a share and leave my entire profits in play. It's a big ask of the stock, and why my investment in this swing trade is tiny in comparison to my other swing positions, my other swing trades. But despite the insane valuation, it has a ton of momentum behind it, so it's worth trying to ride the wave in my view. Now, a quick overview of GEVO in case this is your first time hearing of this company. They essentially transform renewable energy into low carbon transportation fuels, and this technology has been dubbed the next generation of renewable premium gasoline, jet fuels, and diesel fuels, with the potential to achieve zero carbon emissions. Now, I might do a full stock analysis video on GEVO. I haven't fully made up my mind yet. And if I do decide that I really like the look of this company long term, and if I do end up increasing my position in this company, then I probably will end up sharing my entire DD for this stock with you. But like I said, this video is very time sensitive, and I want to put this on your radar, especially if you're not yet an elite member in my Discord. I will say, however, we already started our positions yesterday at just above $8 a share. And if you look at the pre-market right now, the price is already at $9.77 a share. So it's definitely worth checking out, becoming an elite member of my Discord group, so you are informed of all of the moves that I'm making in real time. But with all that said, please make sure that you do your own due diligence before you decide to invest in any stock or in any company. Remember, I am not a financial advisor, so please view my content as purely educational. And if you do want to learn about investing in stocks, there are some useful links in the description below. But with all that said, don't forget to destroy that like button, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to see more content from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.